Hello, welcome to another Kotlin programming language tutorial. In this video, I will show you what is the purpose of continue statement in Kotlin programming. We can use the continue statement for skip the execution of a statement or set of statement from a loop. I will show you with an example. Here I use some for loop. Here I use some range from 1 to 10. Print ln value of I equal to value of I. So here the program output is print I from 1 to 10. Okay. So here I am going to put some condition. If I in 5 to 7, in that case I use the continue statement. So now we can check the program output. So here the output is from 1 to 10, but here value for 5, 6, 7 is missing, because when this condition is true, we use the continue statement. In that case, this statement is skipped from execution. So that is the purpose of continue statement. So by using a continue statement within a loop, you can skip a statement or set of statement from execution.